Hey guys, and welcome back for another carving video. I hope you can hear me over the rain. We're not going to be carving this guy today. Isn't he cute? We're going to be carving one of my absolute favorite birds. And it's not an owl, believe it or not. It's the common loon. If you don't know what these birds look like, they're like a tuxedo duck, and they make the most beautiful sound. First of all, here's what they look like. Literally a tuxedo duck. And this is the sound they make. It is just magical. I grew up hearing them howling on the lake, and they just hold a special place in my heart. So that's what we're going to be carving today. But before we jump into the carving portion of this video, I just want to apologize for the lack of content. It has been an absolutely crazy summer. Absolutely crazy. In the past, I've always just edited videos on my days off, but some of these videos take me 3 full days to edit. I'm not an editor by any means, and it's not really something I want to hire out. I really enjoy editing these videos for you guys, but they just take a little while, and as of 2 years ago, I had never even held a chainsaw, so not only am I learning how to chainsaw carve, you know, I'll never stop learning how to do this. I'm also learning how to run a business, and I've learned a lot, and I really overbooked myself this year. So it's been, honestly, it's been crazy just trying to keep up with the schedule I signed myself up for. But I made this bed, so I'm laying in it, and the downfall of that is I haven't been able to make many videos for you guys this spring and this summer, but I have been filming. I have been filming most projects, and there's a bunch of really cool projects that I have coming up. I'm not taking any commissions after December, so my schedule is going to slow down a lot. And this winter, for the first time ever, I'm going to be working on inventory and stuff I want to make. I'm so excited. So there's going to be a big increase in content as we approach winter. And then throughout winter, YouTube's going to be pretty much my main gig. So you guys are going to be seeing lots of stuff. You're going to be sick of me. You're going to be sick of me this winter. But I just wanted to acknowledge the fact that I'm very aware I'm very behind on footage. I got probably 10, 12 videos ready to be edited, and I just haven't had the time. But with that said, let's jump into carving a loon. We're going to be carving this guy out of some kiln-dried wood. So you can see I have a couple little stencils traced out. So we're going to start by cutting these out, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we have our 4 chunks of loon, and we're gonna smash those together to make a carving block to start our carving out of. So lamination takes a little bit of work. This is not a planed slab because it would be so expensive. It was already so expensive to get a kiln-dried slab that size. So we're going to plane this ourselves with our DeWalt hand planer, which I have over here. So we're going to plane them each, use the orbital sander to get a super smooth surface, and then we will start the lamination process, which is essentially gluing them together. That's what lamination is. Gluing them together with the tightest seams we can possibly get, and then we'll clamp them, and yeah, give it a day, and we'll start carving our loon. So let's laminate this guy. before we continue shaping our face, which won't be too much more shaping, they're very slick birds. So a lot of this carving is actually going to be sanding and smoothing and not so much texturing. All the texture's kind of in the back here. In the front, everything's very, very smooth. But before we shape the face anymore, we're gonna pop those eyes in, then remove some material around the eyes, define the beak, and then lots of sanding. So our bird is carved. Now let's break out the sandpaper and sand until we can't sand no more. Let's go. I spared you guys most of the sanding. You're welcome. But whatever I did not get, what are we caught on? Whatever I didn't get, the torch will get. But I just wanted to show you him before I torch him, because this raw wood stage is my absolute favorite. I just think they are so beautiful in this stage. It's a shame that we can't keep them just like raw wood, but even just with the sealer on it, I don't know. It's just my absolute favorite look. Let me turn you guys around and I'll show you what he looks like. So, here's our little loon. Just that little subtle head tilt. And I made this a weapon by accident. That is quite sharp. He's so cute. Look at this little guy. Look at him. But that's it for today. On to paint. So let's go.